Hello, and welcome to my unboxing for 2023 Astro Seasons Greetings with the Moonbin individual version. I believe they call them the favorite. I'm not sure. I can't remember what they call it. I don't want to get it wrong. Anyhow, they put out individual versions for each of the members, and I got Moonbins because I am a hardcore Moonbin fan. I just did another video of the complete set for the regular Astro for all members. So take a look for that video if you're interested. It's not a very good video because I haven't recorded for a while, and whatever. It's on par with all my other ones. This video is about Moonbin's version, so let's go ahead and get into it. It's brand new. I haven't opened anything yet, so I don't know. We'll see. We'll see what's in here. Okay. Plastic bag. Put that off to the side. So that's just the cellophane that it was in. Now everything else is inside this other plastic like envelope thing with a snap. So it's Moonbin. I'm just going to take everything out of here so we can tell what's envelope and what's not. Okay, so it says Moonbin, and then 2023 Astro Seasons Greetings just on the plastic envelope. This is like, oh, I can't remember what this material is called, but anyhow, it's like thicker plastic, so it's kind of nice. Kind of almost, anyhow, it's thicker plastic. I'm not going to try and remember what it is. All right, let's see. So there's this thing, these things. So we're just going to kind of go through little by little to make it easy. Okay. So this looks like it's like a little keychain type thing or a little dongle, maybe to put on your backpack or wherever you hang things. It says Moonbin 0126, which of course is his birthday, January 26th. Cute plastic little tag. Okay. Photo cards. Let's see. Stickers. All right, let's go ahead and open these. So this is 2 sheets of stickers. This top one is pictures of him. And this one is his little drawings. Cute. Okay. This also appears to be... maybe this isn't stickers. Maybe this is a... just like a 4-cut. We'll see. Yes. Okay. 4-cut with an overlay. So this overlay has pictures of him that you can kind of see. And then underneath is this adorable 4-cut. Okay. And then on the back of this is just plain. Cute. Super cute. Let's do the PCs later. This is, I'm guessing, a calendar. I won't be able to unfold the whole thing and have you see it, but we'll do the best I can. Oh, he is just adorable. Look at it, sitting on a moon. Can you see that? Can you see he's sitting on a moon? Okay, so that's the top part of it, and then the bottom is just the calendar. This is, oh, I love this. Okay, and it's single-sided. There's nothing on the back. It's just single-sided. come through the desk calendar next. This looks like a little, like a diary type thing, or maybe a notebook. We'll see. It's got the PVC cover. Says Astro Seasons Greetings, Moonbin. Oh wait, it just says Astro Seasons Greetings. Moonbin is on the paper underneath. Snap. And then the 6 rings. Let's see. Yeah, so, okay, so this is like a planner diary type thing. So this first page is Moonbin. A couple super cute pictures of Moonbin. And then Bin birthday, it says there. Let's see. Yeah. See it? Bin birthday. Super cute. And I think, so I just, like I said, I just did the regular Astro Seasons Greetings, and I was kind of surprised by that diary that it's the same as this one. Any others that I've gotten from other groups, this is my first year getting Astro Seasons Greetings of any sort, that, like this type of the diary thing, always had pictures dispersed throughout. And these ones don't. And it's just interesting to me. It's just an observation, just something I'm pointing out to people who don't have this or are thinking about getting it or whatever. Does this have any extra in the back? Yes. Okay. So after the diary pages, and there's several pages of just plain old lined. You can't really see the lines because they're super faint. But okay. And then a couple cute little pictures of Moonbin again. And that's it. This did not make it all the way in. Let's go ahead and fix that. Oh, it looks like it ripped. Okay, well that's why. All right. If I can do this without pinching my fingers while I'm recording a video, that would be fantastic. Oh my God, come on. Hang on. Okay, I had to pause that because if my fingers got pinched, I didn't want you to hear me screaming like I was dying, because that hurts really badly. Anyhow, okay, so diary, that's what this is. I kind of like this also, that that it's just like days and they're like in blocks. Can you see that? One day I will have good lighting, I promise. I don't know when that day is going to be, but I will have good lighting someday. But there. So the days are blocks. So I like that. Okay. Let me fix this so that I don't rip more pages. Okay, that's that. Let's take a look at this desk calendar, because this might be going to work with me. I'm not sure. I have so many Seasons Greetings this year that I'm not sure which ones I'm going to adorn my desk with, but I promise you that one of them will. And it might be Moonbin. We'll find out. Okay, so this is just the typical desk calendar. So it's, got the back and the thing that pops down so you can stand it upright. So, Moonbin. So this is the side of January. This side of January. He is just so cute. Oh my God, I love Moonbin. Yeah, this one might be going on my desk. This might be going on my desk. Yeah. Okay. April. May, June. Pages felt like they were sticking together. Sorry. July. August. September. October. November. And December. And that's it. That's it for that. Okay. So what's left is just the 2 packs of PCs. It looks like this one might be calendar. I'm not missing something for it to go in, right? Okay. All right. Let's do this one first. Okay, so yeah, these are calendars. So they might be, are they the same? No, a little different. I mean, they're all going to be very similar anyhow, but okay. So each one has, it's, you know, like a regular photo card image, and then on the back has the calendar. So that's January, February, March. Oh, I like this one. April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, and December. Okay, so that's that. And here are the regular PCs. There are, oh, there's just 2 of them. Okay. 1 and 2. I think I like this one better. I know. Anyhow, okay, so two PCs. So that is it for the Moonbin individual version of ASTRO's 2023 Seasons Greetings. So the calendar cards, the 2 PCs, desk calendar, diary, wall calendar, poster thing, and then 4 cuts and stickers. Cute. Oh, and the keychain or the tag thing. So, okay. Well, thank you very much for watching, listening, seeing. Check out my other video for the full Astro set if you're interested. I got ripped off. Man, that might not be the right. Yeah, no, I got ripped off. There's a photo card missing, and I'm gonna have to see if anybody else had that same thing happen, or if I need to find out if I can get that card somewhere. Luckily, it's not one of Moonbin's cards, but still. So anyhow, again, thank you very much for watching and participating, enjoying or not my videos. Hopefully I will have some others to upload relatively soon. Have a wonderful rest of your day.